everybody, it's Roy from Marvelco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I'm here today with a super quick video showing you guys how to take the Ghostek Nautical Slim case off of just about any device. The Nautical Slim is an awesome case. It is very protective, it's waterproof, and it's going to make your phone last for just about anything. This is a case that you're probably never going to want to take off your device, but there are perfectly legitimate reasons why you would need to. And unfortunately, with all that protection, it is very difficult to get it off. But I'm going to show you guys how to do that here real quick today. So looking at the front of your device, you're going to flip it over to the bottom, and you're going to look for something kind of like this. You'll see here it has a lip that goes along the whole bottom of the device, and if you look over to here, you'll see that there's a little teeny tiny notch. On most devices, it's going to be on the bottom right if you're looking at the front, or the bottom left if you're looking at the back. If your device has an S Pen, you're going to open up that S Pen cover, and then you're going to open up your USB charging port cover, so those are both going to be open. Then you're going to take your fingernail, and you're going to put it down in this corner here, and you're going to peel back. By design, this is very difficult to remove, but with patience and knowing the right tricks, you can get it off pretty easily. Just keep pulling it off all the way around. And there's that back panel. Flip it over. Gently give it a shake. And pry it out the rest of the way if you need to. And presto, you are good to go. So as I said, super easy, super straightforward. If you guys have any questions about the process, if you have any questions about the Ghostek Nautical Slim, or about anything else you've seen in this video, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.